Did you know 97% of former foster youth end up in chronic homelessness?
How might we hope former foster youth escape homelessness after foster care? I'm Tiana.
And I'm Izera.
And we're interns at Foster Adopt Connect. What is Foster Adopt Connect? Here are 3 out of 11 departments available at FAC. Connect Cafe is a cafe in KCK provided for youth both currently and formerly in foster care. They help youth with soft skills for future job opportunities. Community Connections Youth Project is a project that specializes in the transition to adulthood for youth not able to escape foster care. Sammy's Window is a free thrift store and food pantry available for families. This is where we had the opportunity to spend our summer's internship.
Our problem is youth aging out of foster care don't have the resources they need to advocate for themselves in the real world. Most young adults who have been in foster care are more likely to have mental health issues, experience homelessness, and poverty. They're less likely to get a college degree or a well-paying job because they don't have the necessities needed to get a steady job or even enroll in a college or sign up for a job. Things needed but most don't have: a social security number or card, a birth certificate, or an ID. My story, to sum it up, I was adopted at age 14, an age most people overlook when looking to adopt. I was part of the low 25% to get adopted. When I asked some people why they're not looking for older kids, their simple answer was they weren't looking for anyone else's damaged goods.
Here are our survey questions and our survey results. Our first question was, what things should be changed/improved within the system? Our answer was keeping kids in the same school to develop roots in the school community. Our second question was, how can Foster Adopt Connect help meet these needs? They can communicate with school boards and school districts to help identify their needs as a whole. How can Foster Adopt Connect help kids aging out of foster care? They can provide financial management classes, driver's ed, and access to mental health and counseling services beyond foster care. Our last question was, how can the community help support their youth? Our answer was changing their perspective on foster care and caseworkers as a whole to a more respected one. Based on our research, we believe that these resources should be provided at around this age.
Around 16, we should help youth get a stable job. Around early 17, we should introduce the idea of financial literacy and money skills. Late 17 is when we should start getting them ready to be released into the real world by getting legal documents such as birth certificates, social security numbers. And 18, when most kids age out, we should help them get housing, and if not obtainable, provide it.
We're asking for a $500 to $1,000 budget to fund an FAC resource event. For promotion, we would collaborate with the media department at Foster Adopt Connect and promote on all local news stations and radios.
Our event will start on August 26, 2023. From 10:30 to 11:15, we will have each department say what their job is and how they can help families. From 11:15 to 1, the open fair will begin. Each department will have a booth where they can have conversations with families one-on-one. 1 to 2, this is when our food and hygiene drive for boxes will begin while supplies last.
For more information about Foster Adopt Connect and in their message, you can visit fosteradopt.org.